Hello, class. So today we're going to look at simplifying fractions, and I want it to be really clear as to what an equivalent fraction is. Most of you understood that last week, but a few of you still need to try to picture this. So let's take a look at pizza. So if we take this pizza and we split it in half, and I eat half of a pizza, I'm going to eat this half here. I ate one out of the 2 slices of pizza. It's split into 2. That's what this bottom number is. And I ate one of them. So that's what the 1 is. Well, now, if we have that same pizza, but we split it in not just half, but then we split it in half again, and I am going to eat the same amount of pizza. So I still eat this whole half of a pizza, but because it's split into smaller pieces, I now have to eat 2 pieces to equal the same as the 1 piece I previously had. And there's 4 slices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 slices that make up the whole pizza. So we can take this one step further. And so this one is going to be cut in half again, and then it's also going to be cut in half again. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And I'm going to still eat the same amount. So I'm still eating 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. To eat that same amount of the half that I've been eating, I'm now eating 4 pieces. 4 out of 8. There were 8 pieces altogether. I'm eating 4 of them. I'm still eating half a pizza. So if we look at these, right, for it to go from 1 slice to 2 slices, I'm multiplying by 2. To go from 2 to 4, same thing, multiplying by 2. To go from 2 to 4, multiplying by 2. 2 to 8, also multiplying by 2. So if I had 4/8 and I wanted to reduce it, I could divide both the top and the bottom by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Therefore, I'm left with 1/2. That's equal. See, I'm still 4/8 is equal to 1/2. Okay, so hopefully that visual is helpful for you. Let's take it a step further and look down at this example. So we have how many squares here? We have 3 across and 5 down. So we could count them individually, or we could multiply 3 times 5. But let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. The rectangle is cut into 15 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are shaded in. 6 out of 15 are shaded. Okay, well, this most likely can be reduced. So let's take a look at if we were to put these in the same row. So we have 6 that we want to fill in. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 out of the 15 filled in. But if you think of it as this is a row, this is a row, this is a row, this is a row, this is a row. So we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and 2 of the rows, 1, 2, are filled in. So that equals 2/5. So if you think about 6/15, the largest, the biggest number that can go into both of those is 3. So if we divided the top by 3 and the bottom by 3, so 6 divided by 3 is 2, 15 divided by 3 is 5. We get 2/5. 2/5 is the simplified version, the simplified fraction of 6/15. So now we're going to just look at some examples. So what we're doing is we're trying to find the largest common denominator. So if we look at 12 and 14, we know that 2 goes into both of those. And so we could look at 3. 3 doesn't go into 14, so 2 is probably the biggest. So we need to divide the top by 2, divide the bottom by 2. And that's going to give us 6/7. 6/7 is the reduced, the simplified fraction for 12/14. 12/15, we can look at 2. No, 2 can't go into 15. 3 can go into both of them. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 4/5 is the simplified fraction, the lowest fraction. But they're still equivalent. They equal the same. So 2/8 divided by 2, we get 1/4. 3 and 9, looks like 3 can go into both. 1/3. 4 and 12, let's say we just thought 2. So then we have 4 divided by 2 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Oh, look, we could do it again. They can both still be divided by 2. So that's going to equal 1/3. So really, if we divided the original one by 4 is what we needed to do. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1 over 5, 1/5. Now we're getting into some bigger numbers. 36 and 40. So like I said, if you don't know, you can always start with 2 and then continue down. I'm going to do 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Let's do 8. That's going to equal 7/8. Divide by 10. That's going to equal 1/5. And divide by 7. Remember, whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. 3/7. There you go. Hope that helps. You're going to work on reducing fractions today.